Getting bored of your typical egg preparations? So why not give it a cheesy and crispy twist? Hello everyone and welcome back to RovitaS with a quick yet different recipe of bread omelette. For this single serving breakfast you need 2 eggs, 1 medium chopped onion, chopped coriander, chopped green chilies, cheddar cheese, butter, bread slices cut into small cubes, salt as per your taste, and chili flakes. So without any delay, let's start the recipe by breaking 2 eggs into a bowl. Add some salt, chopped onion, chopped green chilies, chopped coriander, and chili flakes. Mix well and pour the mixture on a heated pan. Now add bread cubes all over the egg mixture. Just try to fit in all the cut pieces. Flip it over to make the bread cubes crunchy. Add some onion, coriander, and grate as much cheese as you want. Now fold it over and cook crispy from both the sides. Just listen to the damn foodie inside you and go ahead and add some more cheese on the top. Guys, you have to try this recipe for sure and tell us how much you like it in the comment section. Please like and share the recipe with everyone who loves to have a different breakfast. So please subscribe to RovitaS for many more crazy and yummy recipes. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.